How to convert employee stock ownership plans to Gold IRA rollover without penalty. If you have accumulated wealth through your employee stock ownership plan, ESOP, you may be considering rolling those assets over into a Gold IRA for added diversification and security. Converting your ESOP to a Gold IRA rollover can protect your retirement savings from market fluctuations, but it's important to do it correctly to avoid penalties. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a simple guide to help you through the process. 1. Understand your ESOP. Before making any moves, take the time to understand your ESOP. Review the vesting schedule and any restrictions tied to the plan. Know when you can access your shares without facing penalties or taxes. 2. Consult a financial advisor. It's essential to speak with a financial advisor who specializes in retirement planning and gold IRAs. They can help you determine if converting your ESOP to a Gold IRA is the best decision based on your financial goals. 3. Find a qualified Gold IRA custodian. A Gold IRA requires a custodian to hold the assets. Make sure you choose a custodian who is experienced with both ESOP rollovers and precious metals investments. They will guide you through the process and ensure everything is done according to IRS rules. 4. Confirm your ESOP's eligibility for rollover. Before proceeding, verify with your ESOP administrator that your plan allows for a rollover. Most plans permit this, but it's best to double-check to avoid any issues down the road. 5. Initiate a direct rollover. To avoid penalties, make sure your ESOP funds are directly transferred to the Gold IRA. This direct rollover ensures that the money doesn't pass through your hands, keeping it tax-deferred. 6. Stay within the 60-day window. The IRS requires that rollovers be completed within 60 days. If you miss this deadline, you could face taxes and penalties. Work with your custodian to ensure the rollover is done promptly. 7. Avoid indirect rollovers. Never accept the funds from your ESOP plan directly, as this can lead to tax complications. Always request a direct rollover, where the money goes straight from the ESOP to the Gold IRA. 8. Purchase IRS-approved gold. Once the rollover is complete, use the funds to purchase IRS-approved gold. Gold bars and coins with a purity of 0.995 or higher are eligible for Gold IRAs. Your custodian will help you make these selections. 9. Verify IRS compliance. Throughout the process, ensure that all actions comply with IRS guidelines. This includes adhering to restrictions on the type of gold purchased for your IRA and ensuring that all transfers are made according to regulations. 10. Monitor your Gold IRA investment. After the rollover, it's important to regularly monitor the performance of your Gold IRA. Gold's value fluctuates, so stay informed and review your account periodically to ensure it aligns with your retirement goals. Rolling over your ESOP into a Gold IRA can be a smart way to secure your retirement savings. By following these steps, understanding your ESOP, working with qualified experts, and ensuring IRS compliance, you can smoothly transition your assets without penalties. A Gold IRA offers long-term protection against market volatility, ensuring your wealth remains secure. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.